Hello friends, in this video we will help you with installing the IonQ PHP loader. So many applications developed in PHP require the IonQ PHP loader. This is one of the application where it gives us an error message as the package is missing. There is also a URL mentioned in the error package to download the IonQ PHP loader. But if you are not aware, this URL is mentioned in the video description. You can use that to download the package. On this page, there are multiple packages for various types of system. If you are aware, you can download one of the package which is required for your system. But if you are not aware which package to download, you can simply download the zip archive file mentioned on top of the page. This file will help you identify which package is suitable for your system, and then you can download that particular package to run properly. So we have downloaded the zip file. Here it mentions the instructions. We need to extract this file in a particular directory. So I have created a subdirectory. I will extract the files. Sorry, I just extracted the readme file. I'll extract the PHP file as well in the same directory. Now I'll open the file in a browser. Simply open the file. You need to have an internet connectivity, so it will identify which package is required for your system and guide you to the package download page with the appropriate instructions for your system. On this page, there is a zip file mentioned for the IonQ PHP loader. You need to download that file. You need to extract that file in the PHP folder. The path is mentioned. I will open the path using the run command on the system. I will copy the path so I can extract all the files. So I will select all the files and extract to the particular directory which was mentioned. So all the files are extracted. Now I need to make certain modifications in one of the PHP file. Now search for this file in the PHP version directory. So this is the file. You can open it with any notepad editor. There are two occurrences of this particular line in the whole file. So you need to copy paste this line 2 times in the same file. So this was the first occurrence. This is the second one. You need to copy paste once again here. So this is done. Save the file and close it. Now you can check if the IonQ loader is installed properly just by clicking on the appropriate URL. But first you need to restart the WAMP application. So I have closed it and started it again. Let me see the status. Okay, now I can open this URL to see if the IonQ PHP loader is installed properly. That's done properly. So now you can install the IonCube loader properly on your system. Let us know if you have any questions or any issues while the installation, so we can try helping you. Thank you for watching. Like, comment and subscribe to our channel.